Hello everyone. My name is Ken. Today I delivered for English because for many foreigner come my shop. Today I would say one thing. I donate money for protect animal company and what was it? Um, Social welfare company and also church until now. Now it's until now 81,400 yen. I donate money from myself baked potato shop. Why do I donate our money? Because there are many animal doggy killed in Japan. I would help such a doggy and cat, many animals. So I donate for just a small money every month. But I would like to keep and do my best this activity anyway. So when do you come my shop? If you know my donating activity, if you know, I really love it. Yes. Thank you everyone to see this movie. Thank you. Okay. Bye.